In the next 12 months, the financial landscape in South Africa is going to change drastically, and a lot of people are going to be left behind. There's only one company that has exclusivity on the 4-4 investment policy, a structure that's so efficient it's disrupting the entire insurance game. But hey, exclusivity doesn't last forever, and neither does opportunity. Trust me when I tell you this, I don't even care through who you do it, okay? As long as you go and find out what this thing is. Every single entrepreneur, every ambitious person, every mother and father needs to know about this product, because it will literally change the trajectory of the generations to come in your family. It's going to save your family millions, and it's going to make you millions as well. And usually, right, I don't want to be the one to say this, usually products like this don't last forever. Why? Because if everybody has one, then insurance companies are not going to make money. Get the details on this thing, because I promise you it will blow your mind. It is 100% an irresistible offer. And I know a lot of oaks out there, they have loyalty towards their financial advisors, right? I don't want to move my stuff from my current advisor. Look, mate, ask yourself, is your advisor going to pay your premiums by the time you're 69 and it's costing you 350k a month? I don't fucking think so. Be blessed.